If your iPhone lock screen wallpaper turns black, disappear, or won't display properly after the iOS 27 update, don't panic, follow every steps because one of these fixes could be the one that brings your wallpaper back. So first you just have to open up your settings, go to accessibility, and then display and text size. So here you have to make sure reduce transparency is turned off and increase contrast is also turned off from here because these accessibility settings can sometimes affect how wallpaper appears. Next, refresh your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So this clears actually temporary system glitches and fixes the issue for many users. Now when your iPhone turns back on, so here you have to check low power mode. So from the control panel, check the low power mode is enabled. So if it's enabled, just turn it off because this can affect certain visual features. After that, the settings you have to check from your settings app, then scroll down to display and brightness. So here you have to go to always on display and make sure always on display is turned on. And here you have to check show wallpaper is also enabled. If these settings are off, your lock screen may appear black when the display is dimmed. This option is only available on supported iPhone models, so you can check it out. If your problem is still there, check for a software update. Go to settings, then general, then software update. If a newer version of iOS 27 is available, just download and install it. Because Apple often releases updates to fix bugs like black wallpaper issue. And another thing you can do from your lock screen, so just lock your iPhone, then press and hold the lock screen to open the wallpaper editor. So when the editor mode appears, so you just have to swipe up on each of your existing wallpaper and tap the delete icon to remove them. So once you have deleted all your old wallpaper, create a brand new one and set it as your lock screen. So if you tried everything and the wallpaper is still black, the last thing to try is reset all settings. So for that, you just have to open up your settings, then go to general and scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Select reset and tap reset all settings. So before you do that, you don't have to panic because this won't erase your photos, apps or personal data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display preference. So I just go for it because it will sometimes fix most of the cases. And after that, just check your wallpaper. Hopefully this will fix your problem. So let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.